Hello, this is Smith99 and I've only just done my Get a Car or Can I Get video. I just had to go through this box trying to get a pair of legs. So we're gonna start with my little droid. So here he is. Sorry about the rubbish quality. Very cool, huh? Can't fly if you put a pair of binoculars on them. Well, not actually fly, but like not actually fly, but they can fly if you want to, like pretend. But yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Please like, comment, subscribe.